Right, good morning, everyone. So I have Kyser. He is our also one of the student in the past. Is very genuine, humble, and then the as far like the communication wise and the understanding the black and truth. He's one of the student you can say manageable, coachable, and it's good, very good. There is in between there is no other thing. His group actually the all everybody got job equally because one thing they maintain the strong teamwork. Okay, they did those kind of things the day they joined, and they are all placed in 1 month. Kaiser had experience from different places, including the manufacturing. Of course, he will tell you more details. He explored couple like the places for training, but when he found us, and then he did not make a mistake. He thought, no, this is the right place. I should be easily transformed, and he did it. Of course, you will know more details. So you'll be knowing what he has been going through and how he's doing, and then his coach on the different questions I'm going to ask, so that these questions will be recorded. You guys will be listening later on, and of course, it will help you to improve what you will be doing and what you do day-to-day basis. So that's the goal. I have the questions, but I will be also asking your questions. Some of the questions will be follow-up. So it will be the session 1 hour. Without any delay, let's get started.